But just before that, I want to bring you some good news. Are you staying in the country or in Europe and you'd want to support your family by a solar power? I want to introduce to you the best quality of solar systems in the country. Visit powerafricasolar.com. They have amazing solutions that is affordable. And if you're staying even in US, this is the good news. They have branches in USA, in Nairobi, and in Kisumu. So this is how you can even do it. Now, after reaching out to them and you're staying in US, you can visit their offices in California and pay for the service. Then the installment will be done here in Kenya to your friends, relatives, and family members. What an amazing opportunity. And the best of it all, why are they saying it's the best? It's the best because the parts of the solar power they use are actually from Italy, US, and other European countries. It's simply the best. If you look at the photo that we've seen there, the photo that is in your screen, that is the photo of an installation in the USA, and they use quality. They provide quality services. I just realized that when I was just home, and I haven't spoken to some people who had installed, and I wanted to install. And when I reached out, I got this, that this is a solution that you guys can explore. Now visit powerafricasolar.com, their website, and have to get to have more information about the product. Now,